Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that sparks a lot of curiosity. What's the real difference between special forces and regular infantry? On the surface, they might look similar: soldiers in uniform, carrying weapons, trained for combat. But when you take a closer look, the differences are not just noticeable, they're striking. From training to missions, equipment to mindset, these two branches of the military serve very different roles. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between special forces and regular infantry in terms of their exterior features, interior aspects, performance in the field, safety systems, unique selling points, cost, and wrap it all up with a clear conclusion. Starting with the exterior, the visual difference between special forces and regular infantry becomes obvious in their equipment, appearance, and even their demeanor. Regular infantry soldiers typically wear standard-issue uniforms, helmets, and protective gear. They're equipped with basic assault rifles, body armor, communication devices, and other gear suited for general-purpose battlefield operations. Their gear is mass-produced for large units, focusing on reliability and efficiency in conventional warfare. Special Forces operatives, on the other hand, have access to far more customized and advanced gear. Their uniforms are often adapted for specific environments like jungle, desert, or urban terrain. They use high-end weaponry, including suppressed rifles, compact submachine guns, and mission-specific tools. They also carry advanced communication systems, night vision goggles, GPS trackers, and other cutting-edge tech that enhances their operational effectiveness. While regular infantry focuses on unity and uniformity, special forces emphasize customization and mission readiness. Even the way special forces move, more calculated, more deliberate, often reflects a level of training that sets them apart at first glance. When we talk about interior qualities, we're really talking about the mindset and mental preparation that separates these two groups. Regular infantry training is rigorous and covers a wide range of combat, survival, and teamwork skills. Soldiers are trained to follow commands, maintain discipline, and function as a cohesive unit during large-scale operations. Special Forces training, however, is on another level. It's more selective, more intense, and far more psychological. Candidates are pushed to their limits in terms of physical endurance, problem-solving under pressure, and emotional resilience. They're trained not just to obey orders but to make critical decisions independently when isolated from command. While regular infantry soldiers are trained to be reliable components of a large force, Special Forces operatives are shaped into highly autonomous, flexible agents capable of operating alone or in small teams in the most extreme situations. Looking at performance in real combat or operational scenarios, the distinction becomes even more pronounced. Regular infantry is designed for scale, large numbers of troops working together to secure territory, hold lines, defend positions, or launch offensives. Their strength lies in their numbers, discipline, and coordination. They are the Army's foundation, ensuring presence, stability, and sustained engagement on the battlefield. Special Forces, by contrast, operate with precision and stealth. Their missions are often classified and involve objectives like reconnaissance behind enemy lines, hostage rescue, sabotage, and targeted strikes. These operations require silence, secrecy, and extreme competence. While infantry soldiers rely on clear chain-of-command structures, Special Forces operatives often function with looser oversight, making quick, critical decisions in unpredictable conditions. Their performance is measured not in territory taken, but in the strategic impact they deliver, often without ever being seen. In terms of safety features, both units are trained for survival, but the approach differs greatly. Regular infantry operates with logistical support like armored vehicles, medical evacuation plans, and heavy backup. They're covered by air support, artillery, and coordinated operations that reduce individual risk through collective strength. Special Forces, however, often operate in environments where backup isn't an option. Their safety comes from not being detected in the first place. They rely on speed, agility, concealment, and superior awareness to avoid danger. Rather than depending on external protection, their gear and tactics are designed to keep them out of sight and out of harm's way. Advanced first aid training, escape and evasion techniques, and extraction plans are standard. While both groups face enormous risks, Special Forces take on missions where any mistake can be fatal and no one may be coming to rescue them. When it comes to unique selling points, the differences become clearer. Regular infantry is essential for maintaining control, showing presence, and executing national defense strategies. Their broad skill set, numbers, and adaptability make them ideal for conventional warfare and peacekeeping missions. They're trained to build trust among local populations, secure infrastructure, and stabilize conflict zones. Their value lies in their versatility and availability. Special forces, on the other hand, are like a surgical tool used only when absolutely necessary but capable of achieving objectives no one else can. Their ability to infiltrate enemy lines, gather intelligence, and conduct high-stakes operations with minimal support gives military leaders a powerful option when diplomacy and large-scale combat aren't viable. They're the tip of the spear, often unseen but critically important to mission success. Now let's talk price. Training a regular infantry soldier is relatively cost-effective compared to elite units. The focus is on scaling up, so systems are streamlined to train thousands efficiently. Their equipment is standardized, and their roles are distributed across large formations. Special Forces training, however, is a long and expensive process. Not only is the selection process highly competitive, but the cost of training each operator is significantly higher due to the specialized instruction, gear, and time required. Add to that the maintenance of advanced equipment, global deployment capabilities, and intelligence support, and you're looking at a much larger investment. But it's not just a financial price. Special forces face high operational tempo, emotional tolls, and often multiple deployments in hostile environments. Regular infantry may also face prolonged danger, but the emotional and psychological strain of clandestine, high-pressure missions can be even more intense for special forces. So, what's the real difference between special forces and regular infantry? The truth is, both are vital. It's not a matter of which one is better, it's about what each is built for. Regular infantry provides the foundation of military operations. They're the reliable force that holds ground, maintains presence, and engages in large-scale warfare. Special forces are the precision instrument, the ones called in when the job demands absolute secrecy, precision, and elite skill. They don't replace each other, they complement each other. Both roles come with honor, risk, and immense responsibility. Thanks for sticking with us as we broke down this important comparison. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives like this. See you in the next one.